Welcome to Help Educare channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.
Dear students of Standard 4 from Maharashtra board. Today, we are going to solve some multiple choice questions from subject EVS, part 1, chapter 5. Water for every household. Question number 1. If the common tap in the locality is seen dipping all the time, what is the best solution? First option, call the police and unplug the tap. Second option, call the plumber and repair the common tap. Third option, call the doctor and start the treatment.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is, call the plumber and repair the common tap. Question number 2. Lakes, rivers, reservoirs are sources of water. Is it true or false? First option, true. Second option, false.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is, true. Question number 3. What can you do to ease the work of filling and storing water in your house? First option, try to help the person to fill and store the water. Second option, use electric pump to fill and store the water tank. Third option, store tap water in clean bottle, bucket, and containers. Fourth option, all of the above.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is, all of the above. Question number 4. Samir drank water from the pot and left the lid beside it. Is it right or wrong? First option, right. Second option, wrong.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is, wrong. Question number 5. Which of the following cannot be used for water storage?
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is, the fourth option. This is a wooden box and it is used for storing dry things. Question number 6. Nisha waters her plants with the water she has used for cleaning the dishes. Is it right or wrong? First option, right. Second option, wrong.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is, right, since it will help to minimize wastage of water. Question number 7. Which of these water containers have come into use more recently?
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is the first option. Plastic containers have come into use more recently. Question number 8. When water comes in the tap, Sai empties her pot and fills it again. Is it right or wrong? First option. Right. Second option. Wrong.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is wrong, because it will waste water. Question number 9. Which of the following materials cannot be used to make containers used for storing water? First option, paper. Second option, plastic. Third option, steel. Fourth option, soil.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is paper. Question number 10. Rashma carries drinking water with her when she goes for picnic. Is it right or wrong? First option, right. Second option, wrong.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is right, because it is not sure that she will get safe drinking water at picnic place. Question number 11. We have to dash water in the house so that we can get it when we need it. First option, waste. Second option, store. Third option, spill.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is store. Question number 12. Steel or plastic is also used to make containers for storing water. Is it true or false? First option, true. Second option, false.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is true. Recently, we are using plastic containers since these are cheap, durable, and easy to use. Question number 13. From what mode water is being distributed to houses? First option, water purification center. Second option, water tower. Third option, sea.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is water tower. Question number 14. From where water comes for water purification? First option, Water tower. Second option, dam. Third option, house.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is dam. Question number 15. Some people believe that the previous day's drinking water must be thrown away because the previous day's water becomes stale. First option, this is true. Second option, this is a misconception.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is, this is a misconception. Question number 16. A laden tap on a water container helped to keep the water clean. Is it true or false? First option, true. Second option, false.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is true. Question number 17. If drinking water is not potable, it can cause diseases. Is it true? First option, yes, it is true. Second option, no, it is not true.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is yes, it is true. Since potable water protects us from various diseases such as cholera, diarrhea, dysentery, hepatitis A, typhoid, and polio. Question number 18. Tanks are used to store the water. Is it true or false? First option, true. Second option, false.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is true. Question number 19. What should we use to lift water upward? First option, tap. Second option, dam. Third option, pump or motor. Fourth option, tank.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is pump or motor. Question number 20. Using dash, we can distribute water stored in one place to several different places at the same time. First option, wires. Second option, radio waves. Third option, pipes. Fourth option, microwaves.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is pipes. Question number 21. Water flows naturally in dash direction. First option, Downward. Second option. Upward.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is downward. Question number 22. Arrangement made to supply the water all over the town or city is called dash. First option. Reservation of water. Second option. Purification of water. Third option. Distribution of water.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is distribution of water. Question number 23. The process by which water is made safe for drinking is called dash. First option. Distribution. Second option. Purification. Third option. Reservation.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is purification. Question number 24. Purification of water means dash. First option. Water made safe for drinking. Second option. Water made unsafe for drinking.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is water made safe for drinking. Question number 25. Pump or motor runs on dash. First option. Diesel. Second option. Electricity. Third option. Both of the above. Fourth option. None of the above.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is both of the above.
Thank you for watching Help Educate channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.